This tutorial provides an example of how to use the Sensatus Capital Reorganisation APIs to process a share conversion, i.e. converting one class of security to another. In this example, we will process the share conversion of Royal Dutch Shell Class A shares to Shell shares. Using the Reorganisation Add API, set the Reorganisation Types ID to 22 for share conversion. Set the record and X date to the 29th of January 2022. Set the new issue ratio to 1 and the old issue ratio to 1, as there was a 1-for-1 share conversion. There will be no fractional entitlement. Therefore, set the fractional value to false to round down fractional holdings, and set the fractional return value to false, as there are no fractional entitlements to be returned. Set the new symbol field to the new class of share, which is Shell plc. Add a description and leave the remaining fields at their default value. Use the returned reorganisation ID should you need to delete it. In this example, the client bought 1,000 Royal Dutch Shell Class A shares, and that holding has now been converted to Shell shares.